In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate QuickBooks to manage your bills efficiently. Let's dive right in and make this process straightforward and hassle-free. First, you'll need to head over to the QuickBooks website. Fire up your preferred web browser and type in the QuickBooks URL to get started. Once you've logged into your account, you'll arrive at the QuickBooks homepage. It's the central hub for managing all your accounting tasks. Take a moment to get familiarized with the layout if it's new to you. It'll help as we proceed. Next, locate the New button on your dashboard. It's typically situated on the left-hand side of the homepage. Clicking on New is like opening a gateway to all the different transactions you might need to record. From invoices to bills, this is your starting point for entering any new data. Today, we're focusing on bills. So, after you click on New, a drop-down will appear, and you'll need to select Bill. This selection prepares the system to record an expense that you owe to a vendor. Keep in mind that selecting Bill is crucial because it sets the stage for all the subsequent information you'll input about your transaction. Once you've entered the Bill module, the first thing you'll want to do is click on the Vendor field. This is where you'll specify who the bill is coming from. If it's a vendor you've interacted with before, they'll likely already be in your system. If not, you may need to add them to your vendor list. This ensures that all your outgoing expenses are perfectly tracked and attributed to the correct source. With your vendor selected, move over to the mailing address section. It's equally crucial because it further defines and verifies the origin of your bill. Pay attention to ensure that the mailing address is accurate. This not only keeps your records clean, but also could be important for logistical reasons should there be any need to contact the vendor. Now, go ahead and click on Terms. This part clarifies the payment conditions agreed upon with the vendor. Are you required to pay within 30 days, 60 days, or even longer? Correctly selecting the terms will help you manage your cash flow better and avoid any late fees. After setting the terms, click on Bill Date. The bill date typically reflects when you receive the bill. Recording this accurately is essential as it affects due dates and, subsequently, your financial planning. Finally, there's the Memo section. This is your space for notes, anything you might deem necessary to jot down about this bill. Think of it as an annotation or reminder specific to this particular expense. And there you have it, a simple guide to managing your bills through QuickBooks. By following these steps, you ensure your financial records are accurate, making your accounting processes that much smoother. Thanks for tuning in and see you in the next tutorial.